Hello everyone. In this video we'll be learning how to perform RDD operations on Spark Shell. So basically there are two types of operations which are performed in RDDs. They are transformations and actions. We'll look through all of that. So we'll first start the Hadoop daemons because we are loading the data from HDFS and we'll check if it started by this JPS command. Now we can see it's getting started. Using startall.sh. So now we'll check by JPS. Okay, now we'll get into this Spark directory. So here we will also start the Spark daemons by using this command /sbin startall.sh. Okay, now it's getting started. Now we'll check using this JPS command. As you can see, the master and worker node will be present. So now using this Spark shell, we'll get into this Spark shell and perform all our operations. Okay, now we'll read the data from this parallelized collection. We have this one method giving the RDD name and then parallelize array of these days of the week. Okay, there's a problem. Okay, yeah, it's se.parallelize of array and specifying this weekdays. So as you can see, it's successfully executed. Now we'll use this collect method, giving the RDD name dot collect dot for each println. It will print all this data that is present in that. So now if you want to apply transformation on this previously created RDDs, will write words. Words is the name of the RDD. Parallelize, we are learning Spark, so it's successfully executed. And words dot map, where we'll getting the first character of this each word. So as you can see, we'll again do this collect so that we can display this dot collect for each println. Okay, so as you can see, each word's first letter is taken. So now, if in case we want to read any data from this external storage or any file paths like HDFS or anything, we can use it by .text file, and we can specify the path over here. So as you can see, I have this IPL data over here in this HDFS, where I have this matches.csv file. We can load that from here, or I have in the local system also. We'll first learn how to get it from this local and then from this HDFS path. So here we have this se.text file. I'm specifying the path of this in the local. So it's successfully executed. Now what we can do is, I'll open one more terminal where we can perform all these operations, RDD operations on this IPL data, that is matches.csv. So as I have shown already, that we have this matches.csv file which will be loading. So let's go, and so I'm giving the name as matches RDD, which is equal to sc dot. So it's a text file of, I'm specifying the HDFS path, which is HDFS colon. Also the local host is 9000, and I'm specifying the directory path. So it's IPL data / matches.csv. So now it's successfully loaded. Now we'll perform these operations. So dot collect is an action. Dot for each println, so that we can look through the data, like how it is. We'll display it. Okay, enter. So as you can see, this is the CSV file which we are reading, which we have read. Okay, now what we'll do is perform other transformation operations. So also before that, if you want to get only certain set of rows, then we'll do dot take of 5. So only 5 rows will be displayed. So if we want to get only this header part, then we'll do this val header is the name and is equal to matches RDD dot so it's matches RDD dot first. So only this header part will be displayed. So now what we'll do is no header, because we'll not be performing any operation on this header file header. So we'll remove that. So matches RDD dot filter line is equal to line not equal to line dot equals of header. So excluding the header part. So as you can see, now we'll display it to see if this header is gone or not. So no header dot collect dot for each of println. Okay, so I'll show you. I'll scroll up. Okay, so okay, so now you can see there is no header has been excluded. Okay, now next is so now we'll be using this map transformation to apply a specific transformation operation on every element. Here we'll create an RDD by named states, and then we shall store the city details. So now it's executed, and we'll use this collect to display for each of println. So now the city details has been shown. Okay, now we have the next operation as filter, where filter is like to get the selective data out of this collection of this data given. We'll get the only this 2017 IPL matches of this year, 2017. So it's executed, and we'll print that. So we'll get only this 2017 records. So you can see here all this 2017 records are fetched. So now we have this next operation as flat map. It's similar to that of a map transformation. Here we'll spit out the matches of this Hyderabad city and stored into this fill RDD, this place RDD name. So we'll collect that to check. So now we can see we have spit out these matches of Hyderabad city. So the next operation will be this as you can see the data fill was already done. From that we have got for this Hyderabad city. So next is this partition. Okay. If in case like we want to split into a certain number of partitions, like as we know every data we write, RDD is split into certain number of partitions. We use this transformation to find this number of partitions. We have this int is equal to 2. So next is this map partitions. As you can see, we'll get the number of rows. Here it is 59 for this 2017. We have done it on fill. So next is the reduce by on key value pairs. For this first we'll get this man of the match. From there we'll split out that it is a 13th column. So just a second, there was its dot is missing. Okay, now man of the match dot map, we'll do this win count comma 1. Okay, now we'll be using this reduce by on this key value pairs to find out the highest man of the matches. Reduce by key tuple 2 tuple 1, sort by key is false. Now we'll take those only 10 rows and display it. So highest man of the matches, I will find this we found this player with highest man of the matches, as you can see. Now is the so suppose if perform any set operations or like union or anything. So first of all we'll create, we already have fill, so we'll create one more of fill 2 with 2016 date. There we have done it with 2017 containing data. So here for union fill union of fill 2, it will get the union of 2016 and 17 data. So as you can see, all these 2017 and 16 have been displayed. So we can also perform other set operations like intersection and all. We just have to specify instead of union intersect, and also many more operations can be done. So that's all for this video. Now in the next video we'll learn how to do it in the PySpark. Thank you.